Yeah, I'm not going. Why aren't I going? Because I'm already there. Well, hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the International Campervan Show and the Overland. I can never remember that one, but I've decided it's now Wednesday. Got here yesterday afternoon, and I decided little Will's here with me, and a couple of others. Little Will's still in bed as normal. It's now 11 o'clock. I thought I'm going to go for walkabouts. You know, I'm not one for lying in bed like that. I thought I'd go for a walk, so I'm going to go down into Stratford. Each time I've been over here, I've always gone down in a group to the town. So I've usually stuck with a group. So I've not really explored Stratford and Avon, so I'm going to walk down into Stratford. I'm halfway across the racecourse now, and I'm going to walk right back down into town. I was going to cook breakfast for Will, but because he ain't up, I didn't bother cooking just for me. I'll find somewhere and have breakfast in town, and I'll let you know what's going on in between. If I see anything nice, I'll film it, as I do. Right, catch you in a while. I know I could go to the train and have breakfast, but no, not yet. Oh, no, it's okay. I do enough editing as it is.
You need a bigger camera because it's loads to see.
I know.
It's full of it, Stratford, isn't it?
It is. There's some carving work on there. That's a bloody big chest, that. Nobody here to play. ones as well. Hollow. Place is full of little nooks and crannies and little paths going everywhere and little precincts. The old thatched tavern. Yeah, I like it. Oh, Swan Hotel. They got a White Swan Hotel. They've got a fair display of flowers out there. Fair dues to them. Yeah, I like it. I like seeing things like that.
Oh God. Well, to be honest, I think there's still probably I've not,
It's the place to moor your boat, isn't it? Right in the centre. Floating restaurant. And they do a cruise, a 2-course lunch. Never heard the price.
no.
Trout. 2 trout. Can't zoom in with this thing. It's going under the bridge now. There was 2 there, I lost the other one. Deceiving how high that is. Donated by the State of Israel. I don't think we'll go faster than that. We're just taking a nice leisurely walk back now. It's 1 o'clock in the afternoon. And oh, it's dark under here. Yeah, so I'm taking a leisurely walk back. Should only take half an hour. Walking back onto the racecourse now, and they all sat down. That's the beer tent. I wish they'd bloody hurry up. Plenty of barrels there. I'll sneak over tonight and nick a barrel. Yeah. But I do like this V-dub. I'll have a film this thing as I go by. A little short wheelbase. 4-wheel drive. He's looked after that. All age reg. I like it. I do like it. There's a beaut. There's a few more coming on now though. I'm taking a wander over because they're blowing up hot air balloon. So I one's going to have a look. I'll walk down this way, see if I can get out as though the sun's not on it. That's it, now I'm in the shade of the balloon. That's a lot better. Yeah, the wind is blowing. It is coming from my right, which is the camera right. Yeah, now they're putting hot air in. That's making him lift. Yeah, I don't know how many's going to get in the basket, but I mean, when you stop and think of it, just a bit of hot air is going to keep them up in the sky. Totally unpredictable where they're going, just follow the wind. Now they're pushing some hot air in there. Look at that. Now the basket's tipping and moving. That's it, everybody in the basket. Ooh. Yeah. If it'll stop moving, it'll come down and suffocate you. It's going to come down and suffocate you. Wow, it's definitely cold out of the sun. I've only ever been up in one once. It's coming down to me. It's coming towards me. They've all been told to sit on the floor inside it. That's right above me now. Go on, there's room for it. Go on, quick. He had to get close. I didn't want to get into the sun. It's coming down to suffocate us. Drusilla. Oh, bright light. Bye bye. Nice knowing you. Oh, I'd go.
Oh, I'd go up.
I'd go in an instant.
You just said the room for a little
Yeah,
one.
I've been in one.
I wonder how much
Yeah.
they are to have a go.
Don't know.
Well, the last time I was up,
Per person, right? Well,
person.
he's got a fair amount in that tray then.
That's going to make it
Rapid in this bit of
Yeah.
road, isn't he?
Yeah.
And in fact, I wouldn't have said that the wind was blowing that way.
wonder how high they go.
Well,
Lovely views up there.
yeah. Up and away in my beautiful balloon. We should have tied her on. Yeah, again, put her, tied a rope round her leg.